In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a fuel door retainer in your Nissan Altima, located inside of the fuel door. To gain access to the fuel door retainer, we're going to remove the interior trim on the trunk, pull up on this clip, and remove the clip. There is another one here. And one more right here. And I am using a trim removal tool. Once you have the clips out, pull down the trunk liner, and our fuel door latch will be located right back here. To remove the fuel door latch, I'm going to use a pair of pliers to squeeze these two tabs, and we're going to push it towards the inside of the fuel door. Once the clips are out, you can pull it through, remove the wire, just get it out of the clip, and there's a little ball end in there. Line it up with the hole and pull it out. Have your new latch ready to go. Insert the ball into that hole. Clip it in. And push it back into place. It should click. Put the trunk liner back in place. You can lift up on this door seal or trunk seal. Get it back behind there. Line the clip holes back up and reinstall your clips. And the little one goes on bottom. And that's all.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.